This is Moremex slotting machine. It is 300 capacity with 600 rotary table size with XYZ running condition. It's More. It's imported slotting machines with More Machinery, New York City, USA. This is working rotary table. Yeah. Rotary table from left to right and right to left. It's going to be in a high speed. This is totally 12 inch, like 300 capacity from this is Moremex. This is the chart for stroke size for the speed. 0-3 for 4 speed, 3-6 for the 3 speed, 6-9 for the 2 speed, and 9-12 for the 1 speed. This is completely running machines. You can check it. This rotary is working. Yeah. एक गोल फेर दे